Hi and welcome to Hedgehog Hollow here at Creativation 2019. Thank you so much for joining us here, and today we're at the Deflecto booth and Susan is going to show us some of the amazing new storage release Deflecto have. And you know how much I love my Deflecto storage in the craft room, so let's go and take a look around the booth.
Absolutely. Come on in, we're welcome, we're glad to have you. So really the flagship of our storage is our stackable storage caddy. And here, a stackable storage caddy in a sellable unit is one. And as you can see, it's a mobile storage. And each caddy comes with one large compartment, a medium compartment, and a small compartment. All compartments super clear so you can see exactly what's inside. Nice tight snap lid. You can actually take the lid off if you want to and just use them on counter if you want. But the magic of the stackable caddy is really our system and how they connect. So each caddy has levers. You just open the levers up, snap them together, and away you go. If you need to get into a caddy that's down at the bottom, you can just snap and pull off the stack on top. You don't have to pull them off one at a time. And because we know you've got lots of supplies, etc., that you're putting in these, we know they can get a little heavy. So we made a wheelbase so that you can wheel these around. They're now mobile for you. Each wheelbase will carry up to 100 pounds. Each stackable caddy will hold 40 pounds. The caddy containers can actually be bought separately so that in case you wanted all large ones or you wanted all small ones in your caddy, you have the flexibility to do that. We've also created some accessories like the accessory tray, which literally just sits inside the large caddy on top, but still gives you storage below it. Only one will go in there, but it's a great way to take some of your smaller supplies and keep them organized. Also, we make a ribbon dispenser. We actually put a dowel, as you can see, into the large caddy where you can put your ribbon and then you just unroll your ribbon and let it hang out a little bit. Close the lid. It's a little bit different than the regular large caddy because we did give it a little more give, so you can just pull that ribbon right through. What a breeze it was for holiday gift wrapping to not have a big mess of ribbon everywhere because it keeps them nice and tight. We also have a marker storage that can go in the small compartment of the caddy, as you can see. And these actually, if I had a second one here, you would see, you can kind of see the grooves here, a tongue and groove. So you can actually dovetail these together and just keep them on your work surface if you want. You can either keep them this way or you can turn them on the side, but you can kind of build out and up with the marker caddy. Another product that we introduced last year is our 3-drawer organizer. So a 3-drawer organizer, and as you can see, is really perfect for washi tape. We have the compartments in there, but of course it's not limited to washi tape. You could put thread, you can put jewelry, you can put kind of anything you want in here. And so coming out this year, available in about June, just a product we don't have here, but imagine this product, but bigger, in a 12 by 12 without the dividers, and that's our 3-drawer paper storage tray. that's going to be a big one. Again, that will be available in June. One of the foundational products of our line are our cubes. So a cube just being an open cube, we have a cube with 4 drawers, we have cubes with 2 drawers, and then we have the X cube. And each cube comes with little black clips so that you can actually clip the cubes together vertically and horizontally. So again, you can build up and out however you want with our cubes. Another product is our mounting rail. So our mounting rail, again, you just mount it on the wall, and all of our caddy bins can fit and hang on that mounting rail. So if you want to get, maybe you're going to use different bins in your caddy depending upon the day, you have a place to store them that's not taking up workspace. We're going to save that for just around the corner. But down at the bottom here, you're seeing a product that we call Desk Clarity. And this is really for crafter's desk. It's just to help you stay organized. It's really cute, very functional, beautiful acrylic. And we put some nice sayings on there: stay humble, work hard, but it makes for a beautiful, desk area for the crafter. And now we'll move over straight into the new products that are coming in 2019. So here we are at the 2019 new products. We're very excited about these, some real innovation here. All of these products that you're going to see in this area will be available in about June of 2019. They're go forward products for us. We're building the tools now. We're very excited to introduce them. First up for storage is our 12 by 12 stackable paper tray. So one tray, but they stack on top of each other and they slide very smoothly, nice and slide. Great way to really be able to store a lot of your papers. Next up, we have the 3-tray crafter's desk tray. And this guy obviously has a lot of storage. On the top, we've got just some smaller storage. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but we actually put a ruler here in case you've kind of embossed a ruler there in case you need to measure anything. And of course, you've even got little tinier compartments on the back side. So once you open this guy up, 3 trays come out. And we purposefully made sure that each tray had different configurations, some very long, some a little shorter, some a little wider, so that you can store all of your craft supplies. And of course, you can still have storage space down below. So this is the 3-tray crafter's storage box. Also, you'll note that the handle recesses. All of these products have a recessing handle so that you can stack product on top of each other. Down below, we have the single tray storage box. Again, we've got the recessed handle, and you'll see again kind of the male, female, so that they stack nicely on top of each other. Inside this guy is just a lift out tray, and then you've got all that storage below it. We're going to stay low a little bit and come over to our multi-compartment storage box. This guy has storage on top. Again, the recessed handle, but when you undo the latches, you can literally just lift the top off. And we really did that so that instead of putting a hinge, because if you did a hinge and you opened it, everything would just kind of fall to one side. Didn't want that to happen. So we just made it where you can just lift off the entire lid. Again, you have a little lift out tray and you have all of the storage below that as well. Up top, we have our paint saver. So we've got a paint palette so that you can mix all of your colors, mix all of your paints. The surface, the material we're using for this actually has a peelability, so that if your acrylic paint dries, you can literally just peel that right off. It is a airtight and leak-proof product. And inside, we also have another mixing tray so that you can mix more paint. But if you turn it, you can kind of see that at this moment, it's kind of, going down. But if I turn it over and I put it in here, it'll snap in, and you can store all of your paint brushes, etc. in there. So it's all in one. Great product, the Paint Saver. Really new. And then lastly, our Painter's Companion. This little watercolor bucket is for when you're trying to change colors, obviously. So you've got a brush full of paint, you dip it in the water, you're trying to rinse it off. That's the really dirty water. Then you go to the next little tub of water, so it's getting cleaner, and then you finally go to the cleanest water right here. This little compartment here is to place a sponge so you can dab your brush or whatever. You can see we've put a notch there so that any liquid is going into that compartment. And there's actually functionality in our handle. We have the grooves here so that you can lay your paint brushes across. So this is the Painter's Companion. And again, all of these products available in about June of 2019. We're pretty proud of our new designs. We think you're gonna love them, and we look forward to working with you all. And check out our website. We're on Instagram, obviously, Facebook, where I think it's at Deflecto LLC on Insta. And one other product. I hope you can edit that. One other product I forgot to tell you about. Down here, this cute little guy. So this little sign right here is mirrored acrylic. It is not glass, it is just a mirror. And so we're gonna start selling little sheets, different sizes, 3.5 by 5. We're doing this size, which I think is like a 3 by 12. We're going up to a 12 by 12, whether it's mirrored acrylic, or we also are just gonna do plain clear acrylic sheets so that you can make whatever you want with them. You could do signage, you could do just about anything with our clear acrylic. So that's kind of what's new from Deflecto. We hope you're as excited as we are, and thanks for coming by the booth. Have a great time.
Thanks so much for having us here in the Deflecto booth.
Thanks for being here.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all of our Creativation 29 videos, and of course inspiration beyond the show as well. I love this new Painter's Companion. That was definitely my favorite product here. Leave us a comment with what you've seen here at the Deflecto booth and what was your favorite. Of course, we'll be adding links during reviews throughout the year as they're released as well. And do give us this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. We'll see you soon. Bye.